Now let's turn our attention to another development here in India, where 43 days after the new violence, the so-called instigator for that violence, Monu Manesar, has been arrested by the Haryana police and has been produced in court. Now, this is almost 43 days after the violence had broken out in Nu in the first week of August. There were several lives that were lost in that violence as well, when there was stone pelting reported at a particular procession that had been taken out. Now, Monu Manesar's defense in this matter has been that he was not present at the time that the rioting actually took place, but certain social media posts that he had allegedly put out have been under scrutiny on the part of the Haryana police in this matter. Let me in fact go across to Gurpreet for more on this. Gurpreet, we do know now that Monu Manesar has been apprehended and that he's been taken to court. Tell us about what the Haryana police wishes to argue against him in order to seek his custody.
Well, we have seen first the top police officer. They say Monu Manesar has already been taken into custody. Monu Manesar is facing a lot of cases in Haryana and Rajasthan also. Now the police is investigating all the cases which is against Monu Manesar. The main question as of now, what we have learned, Monu Manesar hogged the limelight when new violence has taken place, and there was serious allegation against Monu Manesar for inciting the violence in which has taken place in Nu in district Palwal. So what we have learned from the sources also, the sources say he has been taken into custody, he has been arrested, and he is being produced under tight security in the court on the charges of inciting violence at the time when the violence had taken place in Nu. Now the police say that they are trying to investigate all the angles also. Now the main question, what we can understand as of now, whether Monu Manesar will be handed over to Rajasthan, because that case was very serious, and two people had lost their life in that cases, and he's also nominated in that investigation also. And earlier we have seen so many times, so many controversies had come up between the coordination of Haryana police as well as the Rajasthan police. As of now, what we can understand from the police sources, he has been taken into custody, he has been arrested because they feel that he was the one who has incited the violence which has taken place in Nu. Now he is being taken under tight security to produce before the court. Let's see that what the police is going to give a plea in the court, and whether they are going to ask any police remand from the court for further investigation or not. But at the same time, we have seen a lot of politics has already been played. One side, we talked to the former Chief Minister of Haryana, Bhupinder Singh Hooda. He was saying that he has already demanded a judicial inquiry.
Yes.
One side, Home Minister as well as the Chief Minister of Haryana, they were saying it was a pre-planned attack which has taken place, and they are trying to investigate, and there is a need to find out all the facts on the record, and for that he has already demanded a judicial inquiry. At the same time, we have seen INLD Supremo Abhay Singh Chautala. He has also slammed this action of the government. He says the government had taken action earlier also, this violence could have been avoided, and at this point of time, if Monu Manesar has been arrested by Haryana police, but the lives as well as the property has already been damaged, so it seems that it is too late to take such type of action which has been taken at this point of time.
And what do we know about his whereabouts at the time that the investigations were still underway, Gurpreet? Because Monu Manesar has been a subject of interactions between the Rajasthan police as well as the Haryana police as well, because his name had cropped up allegedly in connection with the lynching of Junaid and Nasir as well some time ago. So do tell us about the kind of action that we can expect on the part of the police with respect to the interactions that they've been having with their Rajasthan counterparts as well in this matter.
Well, when we talk to the top police officers of Haryana, they are tight-lipped at this point of time. They are saying they are not in a position to reveal much investigation about this thing, because this is a very sensitive matter which they are dealing as of now. But what we can understand, the police is probing his locations. They are trying to get the mobile data, even his locations also, through the forensic as well as through the proper investigation, scientific investigation which is being carried out. As of now, they are saying saying these are the allegations against Monu Manesar, that he was the one who has incited violence, and a lot of stuff which was present on the social media a few days before this yatra had taken place. And this violence is a part of investigation, and that's why they are saying he is being probed from all the angles by Haryana police, and after that they will take a decision whether they are going to give custody to Rajasthan police for lynching case for further investigation also. But we have seen so many times, so many statements from both the Chief Minister had already come. One side, Haryana Chief Minister had been claiming that they are trying to coordinate with Rajasthan, they are trying to cooperate with Rajasthan police, but at the same time Rajasthan police had leveled a lot of allegation that they are not getting any cooperation from Haryana police. So let's see, because once he is into custody, now further investigation will be taken, and it's the Haryana police prerogative what type of investigation they are carrying forward.
Okay, Gurpreet, many thanks for that very comprehensive update. We'll see how the investigations pan out and what the Haryana police has to say about the charges against Monu Manesar.